In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect names and emails using Dropbox's File Requests feature. This is a great way to streamline the process of collecting files from people who may not have a Dropbox account themselves. Whether you're gathering documents for work, school, or a personal project, this feature makes it easy for you to stay organized and ensure you have all the necessary contact information from those sending you files. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Dropbox account by navigating to Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find an option labeled File Requests. Click on this to move on to the next step. Now you'll want to create a new file request. This is done by clicking the New Request button, which will open up a form where you can specify the details of your request. Here, you should enter a title and a brief description of what you're collecting and why. Clarity is key, so be sure to provide enough information to guide those who will be uploading files. Next, choose the destination folder where these uploads will be stored. This keeps everything tidy and in one place, so select a folder dedicated to this project, or create a new one if necessary. Once you've set up your request, it's time to share it. You can choose to share the request link directly or send an invitation via email. The beauty of this feature is its inclusivity. Anyone can upload files through your request link, even if they don't have a Dropbox account. This is particularly useful for collaborating with a wide audience without needing them all to sign up for the service. When someone receives your request and is ready to upload files, they'll simply click the link and select their files to upload. If they aren't signed into Dropbox, the system will prompt them to provide their name and email address. This step is crucial if you need to know who has uploaded each file, and it's all seamlessly handled right within the uploading process. On the uploader screen, they'll see a prompt that says something like, "Please enter your name and email address so that the requester knows who uploaded the file." This ensures that you have all the information you need without any additional hassle. Once the files are uploaded, they are automatically placed into the folder you designated earlier. You'll also receive notifications each time a file is uploaded, so you'll never miss an update. This seamless flow makes managing incoming files and communications straightforward and efficient. By utilizing Dropbox's File Requests feature, you're not only collecting files, but also building a contact list that can be incredibly valuable for follow-ups or additional correspondence. And that's it. You're all set to start collecting names and emails effortlessly through Dropbox.